Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm checking out this gorgeous Cartier Ellipse watch, and I feel like I'm swimming in a sea of diamonds. I think this watch is a great testament to Cartier's design and luxury genius because they have combined these 3 rows of diamonds on the bezel with this silvered guilloche dial that from a distance kind of tricks your eye into looking like the watch is just diamonds from one edge to the other. I think it's a really cool effect. It makes it look so luxurious and so stunning. I think this watch is also kind of a modern take on a traditional cocktail watch. It's a little bit bigger than the traditional cocktail size, but it's on a black leather strap, so it's very comfortable, and it's got a lot of diamonds, so it's very beautiful. It's also a quartz movement with a date, so it gives it a little bit of practicality. I don't know if you could wear this watch every day, but I think you could wear it to every fancy event that you go to because it's just so beautiful and luxurious. I think this watch would pair beautifully with more diamond jewelry if you really want a very sparkly and elegant look, or maybe with some more dainty jewelry if you want a more demure and pulled back look. I think the great thing about this watch is that it won't overpower your outfit just because it's such a beautiful watch. It's not too big and it's on a black leather strap, so I just think it's not going to dominate any outfit. It's just going to add that extra bit of sparkle. So if you are looking to pick up this watch, you should check it out among all of our other beautiful Cartier watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.